Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to pad your off-shoulder bustier top. So I have my fabric cut out already and this is the front panel. So if you want to know how I cut out this off-shoulder bustier pattern, I'll drop the video link in the description box. So the next thing to do now is to cut out our interface. So the first thing to do is to place your pattern on your interfacing. I'm using a medium weight interfacing. So I placed my pattern on the interfacing 1 inch below the under bust measurement. So my interfacing is going to stop 1 inch below my under bust, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut it out. So after cutting out, this is what it looks like. So the next thing to do now is to come down by 1 inch on the 3 pieces. At the top, come down by 1 inch. This is because you don't want the interfacing to interfere with your lining when you are turning over. So come down by 1 inch. I'll draw a straight line there, then I'm going to cut it out. Then on the armhole corner, come in by 1.5 inch to 2 inches and draw it all the way down. This is because you don't want the interfacing to interfere with your line. So after trimming out the interfacing, this is what it looks like on the fabric. I came down by 1 inch below the neckline and I trimmed it out, and I also trimmed out the sides by 1.5 inch. So I placed the shiny part of the interfacing on the wrong side of the pattern. So the next thing to do now is to iron it. So after ironing, this is what we have. The interfacing and the fabric are now together. So the next thing to do now is to join the 3 pieces together. So I'm going to go ahead now and connect the bust point where I notched. I'm going to mark it. I'm going to match it together. Then I'll take my pin and secure it. So I'll go ahead now and pin it together all the way to the bottom. I'll pin it down. So I've secured it with a pin, and the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to my sewing machine and sew it all the way. So after joining the 3 pieces of fabric together, this is what we have. So you can see the standing effect on the bust parts. This is because of the interfacing we attached to the fabric. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content.